Hi, this is Digital Step-by-Step Painting, and today we're going to paint fireworks because the 4th of July is coming up, and so we're going to paint our canvas black. So we're going to need all the different colors that you would like to use for your fireworks, a bunch of brushes, big and little, paper towels, a cup of water, some plates to put paint on, and we're going to get started. Okay, so I'm using a canvas that I had already drawn something on for a program before, and because I'm going to cover it in black paint, I can just get my biggest brush and load it and paint right over that, and it's going to cover it because it's such a dark color. So just cover your entire canvas black. Now what we want to do, once we have our canvas colored black, if you'd like to kind of get the edges the same color, it just makes it look more finished and nice. Now that you've done that, let's let this dry for just a few minutes to give us a chance to clean our brush. Okay guys, so the next thing we need to do is make a horizon line, because our fireworks are going to be up in the night sky, and below we'll have the reflection on the water. So I want you to pick the brush that you feel like you have the most control with, because we're going to make a line that goes across here. We need to leave enough space for the fireworks and just a little bit for the reflection. So our line is going to be in white. And just start on one side. Let's go like this. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight because water has waves. And that's all you have to do for that. So now we're going to pick 3 colors out of all of these colors. I've got green, aqua, blue, orange, yellow, pink, and red. I think I'm going to use orange. And we don't need a whole lot of any of these paints. And yellow and blue. And I'm going to use my smallest brush and put a dot or 2 of each color. So I'm going to put blue here, or maybe blue in the center. And now we're going to create flower looking things coming out from this, because the fireworks are going to go like this. Don't worry if it looks like it's blending into the background. Now I want just a little bit more orange, maybe up here in my sky. Now we want to highlight with a little bit of white. So let's put a little bit of white in the center of each one of these. Now we're going to go whoop, whoop. We're going to make a little bit of the falling ashes that come off of fireworks, dripping down a little. And let's throw a little bit of stars up here in the sky too. Now, you see all your beautiful fireworks up in the sky, and it's time to put some ripples in the water down here. So the first thing we're going to do is add a little bit of blue like this. Smooth water. And then we need some yellow in the water. And let's do a little bit of orange in the water. And we maybe need to add a little bit of blue right up here as well. Now let's put some white sparkles on the water as well. Just a little bit. Kind of highlight it and make it pop. And there you go. We've got fireworks on a beautiful summer night with the stars out. Thank you guys for painting with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful 4th of July. Goodbye.